Like 90% of the online community, do you find the search engine optimization nut impossible to crack? SEO has been the single most misunderstood aspect of building an online business. Everyone seems to have their own opinion, theories, and some even have a bag of tricks they claim is the holy grail of SEO. Actually, the truth is, there is no trick to SEO. It's a number of common sense factors when paid attention to along with a tactical plan will almost guarantee SEO success. Yes, guarantee. Comet SEO was built to unpack the mysteries behind SEO and make search engine optimization easy, affordable, and manageable for every website owner and online marketer. To begin, just type in your website address and let Comet SEO produce a detailed report analyzing the search engine performance of your website, outlining which areas need urgent attention and things you can do to improve your SEO factor. Once you sign up to one of our affordable monthly SEO plans, you can take advantage of our SEO automation tools to get the most basic tasks accomplished every month without much effort on your part, allowing you to automate proven SEO techniques such as article submissions, social media updates, and backlink generation completely on the fly. Comet SEO produces dynamic XML sitemaps every week and automatically submits them to Google, Yahoo, and Bing for fast, consistent, and up-to-date indexing of your website. With Google Analytics integrated right within Comet SEO, you don't have to switch between multiple applications to be in control of your online assets. Ever wondered why some of your competitors rank higher than you on search engines? Well, with Comet SEO's competitor tracking, you can now see exactly what your competitors are up to and get a step ahead of them with a tactical SEO plan. Tell us who your top 5 competitors are, and we'll dig up all the information we can find on their website's SEO performance, how much they spend on Google advertising, how many websites link to them, and how many content assets they create every month. Use Comet SEO's competitor tracking sensibly and your competitors won't know what hit them. Our advanced features such as competitor tracking, long-tail keyword analysis, and a keyword suggestion tool helps you develop a sustainable, realistic SEO plan. You just can't find these features in any other application around the world. SEO has never been simpler, easier, and more fun. Remember, there are no contracts, no upfront setup fees, and no surprises. So go ahead and sign up for a free trial and experience Comet SEO today.